Hey, let's bootstrap a kubeaid cluster using the one-click install kubeaid-cli command. We'll use the skip PR workflow flag so changes are applied directly, and debug mode to see exactly what's happening. The CLI prompts you to choose your cloud provider. You can target AWS, Azure, Hetzner, Bare Metal, or local. For this demo, we're selecting local, perfect for testing on your own machine. Next, provide the path to your SSH deploy key for ArgoCD and give your cluster a name. We're calling ours new cluster test. Now enter the SSH URL of your kubeaid config fork on GitHub. The CLI will display a full configuration summary for you to review before proceeding. When you're happy with the configuration, confirm and the bootstrap begins. Kubeaid will automatically set up ArgoCD, install the required Helm charts, and wire everything together in your cluster. This process runs in the background. It typically takes around 10 minutes in a real environment. Once complete, you'll see the success confirmation. Follow the on-screen commands to export your kube config, retrieve the ArgoCD admin password, and port forward to access the dashboard locally. Congrats, you logged in successfully. Obmondo, own your infrastructure.